going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog, the RC vlog. You can see we got the SCX 10.3 still on the table, and we put the new servo in. Horizon Hobby sent us, and it burned out in no time. So we ordered a Savox. I forget the model number, but I saw a video online, a guy putting one in. So we're gonna be running it a little bit without the servo. I think it stays in gear if you leave it loose like it. And we're gonna go up to the greenway right across the state line in North Carolina, and run it a little bit on some roots and some dirts, and just dirt, and maybe on some rocks and down near the river, and just see how it does. Let's go outside, see what it's looking like outside. It's kind of humid here, South Carolina. You can see over there they putting a new roof on that guy's building. Everybody in the neighborhood's getting a new roof. We had a bad hailstorm come through, I guess about 3 months ago, and tore up everybody's roof. But it's a little humid out here, but it's not too hot yet. I think it's supposed to get up to like 94 today, but right now it's probably about, I think it's 78 degrees. We're still working on the crawling track out there. We're still working on it, still getting it going. So our crawling course, and we're going to be working on it so that way we can test some trucks out and see how it goes. Well, let's get in the car, get on our way to North Carolina. Well, it looks like we finally made it. This is the Broad River Greenway. Well, as you can tell, we've run off again without our body pins. We forgot our body pins, so we're gonna have to use our GoPro strap to hold our body on. I keep forgetting the pins for this truck every time I go out. I guess because you don't see the post, you don't think you need them. y'all like today's video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share this video. Till next time, this is Big Head RC. Remember, I love you, but God loves you more.